Hi everyone, I'm Pat Prokop, retired meteorologist. This is Monday, March the 27th, and I'm keeping an eye on this severe weather threat for our area for this Monday afternoon. So with that being said, let's take a look at the maps right now. And first of all, my website over here on savannahpat.name, here we have the threat for severe weather conditions for this afternoon. There is a high chance for wind damage with some of these storms, low chance for tornadoes, a very high chance for some small hail with a moderate chance for moderate to large size hail. Low probability for lightning strikes, just a moderate chance for the downpours to be associated with the thunderstorms, but there won't be that much rain associated with these storms, and so I'm not expecting very much flooding at all, street flooding associated with these storms. So let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. First of all, it has our area under a slight risk for severe thunderstorms this afternoon, and most of the damage expected, the tornadoes not expected that much, very low probability of tornadoes. The wind damage will be the main concern with this particular system, as you can see there, and then there's a somewhat chance for some small to medium sized, even large size hail to be associated with the storms. Hail perhaps an inch or more in diameter possible with some of these storms. Now let's take a look at the weather watch from the National Weather Service, the Storms Prediction Center, and it has a large portion of central to southeastern Georgia under a severe thunderstorm watch, meaning conditions will be favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms, and this will also extend into the southern portions of southeastern South Carolina. And this is from now until 6 o'clock on Monday evening. Now, the regional radar summary is showing a line of intense thunderstorms stretching across the region over here. And let's look at the GOES satellite imagery. That shows a little bit more of the intense activity. There you can see some very strong thunderstorms in central Georgia, southeast of Macon, over into southwest of Macon, around the Tifton area, back into southeastern portions of Alabama. And this whole line is associated with a front that's going to be moving eastward throughout the afternoon hours into the evening hours. Now, the regional radar from Valdosta, Moody Air Force Base, is showing the extent of this severe thunderstorm watch. It covers large portions of the region. That also includes Beaufort and Jasper counties and all of Chatham County and into portions of Bryan County all the way to the coastline. But there you can see the line of intense thunderstorms. Now this is at almost 1 o'clock on Monday. There you can see intense thunderstorms. Some warnings have been posted already with these. Now, we're at the quiet portion of the day. After the sun reaches its zenith, which today in Savannah will be at 1:30, after that, the atmosphere aloft starts to cool off while the surface continues to heat. That increases the instability of the atmosphere. So the prime time for severe weather in our area is going to be from around 2 o'clock this afternoon until about sunset tonight. So keep that in mind. The atmosphere is going to continue to destabilize, particularly after 1:30 this afternoon. And these storms are expected to intensify somewhat. So keep that in mind with the chance for severe weather. Let's take a look at one of the computer models. Now, the computer models are showing discrepancies for this system, just like they did yesterday. Some of the models have this system washing out, and others have the line holding intact. As a matter of fact, the which we call the HRRR, High Resolution Rapid Refresh Model, shows the line of thunderstorms right now in the central portions of Georgia, west central South Carolina, advancing in time until 4 o'clock this afternoon. There you can see the line of intense thunderstorms still holding intact across our portions of southeastern Georgia into southern South Carolina. And as we advance slowly in the hours going into 6 o'clock this evening, it has the line right over Hilton Head to Bluffton, over into Savannah, back to Hinesville, and then down into Baxley and the Jessup area. And then after that, it also begins to weaken the storms as once again the atmosphere starts cooling off at the surface, so the atmosphere begins to stabilize throughout. So these thunderstorms will probably begin to dissipate shortly after or before even sunset this evening. Now, let's take a look at the amount of rainfall associated with this. I'm not expecting that much, as the storms will be moving quite fast. about a quarter of an inch maybe in the Savannah area, a fifth of an inch. And then across portions of southeastern Georgia, about the same, a little bit more, maybe a third of an inch in some locations. However, we got more rain coming in for tomorrow, too. That's another system. I don't think it's going to be quite as strong, and most of the storms tomorrow and rain will be from around Interstate 16 and southward. North of Interstate 16, chances are you'll have a lesser of a chance for rain and maybe even some more sunshine. And then going into South Carolina around the Bluffton, Hilton Head area, again, about the same as Savannah, about a quarter of an inch perhaps, and maybe another quarter inch of rain on Tuesday with the system coming in. Then after that, some very nice weather shaping up for the rest of the week. So keep that in mind. We have a severe thunderstorm threat for our region until 6 o'clock this evening, maybe 7 o'clock. Anyway, the watch is until 6 o'clock this evening. Here on my website, you can also view other videos I have on my YouTube channel at my channel. And I do more than just weather. I do also gardening tips and what's up in the sky. Of course, right now we got that planetary alignment coming up in the sky. In the evening sky, we have a lot of planets to look at, particularly Venus, extremely bright out there in the western sky right now. But I also have videos about the, I just posted last week about the vernal equinox. What is spring? Interesting video. If you have a chance, take a look at that. Also, gardening, new gardening videos I try to post periodically. I got a couple over here already. I'm planting the gardening and the new growth in the garden. All these are on my YouTube channel. So you're watching it right now on YouTube. So if you haven't already subscribed, I would like it if you could subscribe to my channel so you'll get these weather videos and gardening videos and astronomy videos as well. What's up in the nighttime sky. I do have another channel, my Heavenly Backyard Astronomy, that tells you more about how I capture a lot of these fantastic images up in the sky. Look at this. There's a picture of some of the galaxies I've been shooting from my own backyard. And you can see these right there on my website and also on my Facebook pages and on YouTube right here. And if you happen to enjoy my videos and you would like to help support this page, I love my coffee. And you can always help me by supporting my page by, subscribing to my page and hitting that like button. It's very important. Please hit the like button if you like the video. If you don't like it, don't hit the like button. Even hit the dislike if you like. But also subscribe to the channel. And if you like, you can also buy me a cup of coffee. It's only $2 a cup. But anyway, I love my coffee. And this is my Grisabella coffee cup right here. The cat. Anyway, thanks for watching. And, I have the ability to go live on this channel as well. And if the storms really get out of hand this afternoon, I'll be back right here on YouTube with some live reports as well. So other than that, be prepared for possibility of winds up to 60 miles per hour in some of these thunderstorms with medium to large size hail. That's the threat, the possibility for this afternoon. So thanks for watching and stay safe.